Android Auto Introduction. Android Auto brings out the best in Mahindra infotainment technology by linking Android devices with Mahindra Infotainment. Android Auto focuses on safety and minimizes driver distraction by projecting select Android phone content onto the vehicle infotainment system. It allows the driver to access and control applications on Android phones such as music, navigation, phone calls, and Google search using various inputs on the vehicle such as touch, steering wheel controls, and voice. It enhances vehicle driving experience and enables customers to stay focused on the road. Simple intuitive interfaces, integrated steering wheel controls, and powerful speech recognition makes it safer and easier to interact with phone while driving. To experience Android Auto, the user must download and install the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store. Connections. When accessing Android Auto for the first time, the vehicle must be at standstill with the parking brake engaged. Connect the mobile phone to the infotainment USB port using the standard data cable provided with your phone. A pop-up message will be displayed immediately on the infotainment screen to follow the instructions on the mobile phone. Select OK to proceed. You will be guided through a sequence of steps on the mobile phone. Also turn on the location settings in case it is off. In case the vehicle is not a standstill, an alert will be displayed on the mobile phone to park the vehicle. For subsequent connections using the same mobile phone, connecting the mobile phone to the USB port will enable Android Auto connection. Users can access the Android Auto from the infotainment home screen or the source tree. Home. Android Auto will land on the navigation screen by default. On the home screen, Android Auto will automatically bring out the useful information and organize it into the simple cards that appear when they are needed. For example, current playing audio. Active navigation is shown. Users can access navigation by Google Map, phone, audio, and Gauge to return to Mahindra and Google Voice Recognition by selecting the respective icons. Navigation. Currently for navigation, two maps can be selected by the user. Native maps, which are pre-stored on the infotainment system. Google Maps, which can accessed by connecting Android Auto. The following section covers navigation using Google Maps. Navigation using Google Maps can be accessed in any of the following ways. Selecting the navigation icon from the Android Auto screen. Android Auto also supports voice-guided navigation and live traffic information. Volume control. Whenever Android Auto is connected, navigation prompts will be heard at the default volume. The volume of navigational prompts can be adjusted within a predefined range by volume up and down on the hard key on the steering wheel switch. The volume of navigation prompts can be muted on screen by a touch selection of the audio symbol. Native NAV and Google Maps handling. In case an active route is present on the native navigation and a new route is set on Google Maps, the native navigation route will be cancelled and vice versa. Phone. The phone can be accessed in any of the following ways. Selecting the phone icon from the Android Auto screen. Selecting the phone icon from the infotainment screen when in Android Auto mode. The recent calls, favorites list on mobile phone and selected call history can be seen on the phone screen. Select the menu icon to view options like voicemail, dial pad, call history, and missed calls. Whenever Android Auto is connected, users can receive incoming calls and make outgoing calls using the phone screen of Android Auto. If a user receives an incoming call while on screens other than the phone screen of Android Auto, a pop-up prompt will appear at the top of the screen for the call, which can then be accepted or rejected by the user. Audio. Audio can be accessed in any of the following ways. Selecting the Google Play Music icon on the Android Auto screen. Selecting the music icon on the infotainment screen when in Android Auto mode. Android Auto. Users can stream selective music content available on the mobile device using Google Play Music. Also, users can stream online content by installing Android Auto supported apps on their mobile phone from the Google Play Store. Example: Ghana. Select the activity bar icon to access the pre-installed Android Auto supported apps. Message readout. While in Android Auto mode, if users receive a message from Messenger or WhatsApp or Hangout or any other Android Auto supported messaging app, it will be notified on the top of the screen along with a beep. On tapping, the message will be read out through the vehicle speakers. It is also possible to reply through voice. While on the native screen, if users receive a message from any Android Auto supported messaging app, only a notification beep will be heard. The message can be accessed from the Android Auto home screen. Google Voice Recognition. Users can enter Google Voice Recognition in any of the following modes. Touching the microphone icon, pressing the push to talk button on the steering wheel switch for more than 2 seconds by saying, with Google Voice Recognition, Android Auto responds to your voice commands in order to navigate to a destination. Make phone call, play music, send or reply to text message, get weather information as well as other commands supported by Android Auto. For example, OK Google, navigate to Chennai International Airport. While a voice recognition session is active, a long press on push to talk button will restart the session. Users can exit Google Voice Recognition in any of the following ways. Touching anywhere on the screen. A short press on the push to talk button on the steering wheel switch. Selection of any key on the infotainment display. Android Auto settings. Users can enter the Android Auto settings by selecting Android Auto from Connectivity screen of the infotainment system. Exiting from Android Auto. Users can exit from the Android Auto screen and enter the infotainment native screen in any of the following ways. Selecting the Return to Mahindra icon. Selecting the home key on the infotainment system. Any source change such as aux, FM, etc.